Alright, so
Here's
this...
Dirt Road Anthem right here.
What's it called?
I've been to it.
Dirt Road Anthem.
Perfect.
Alright.
I think I've heard this one.
Well, who's singing this song?
Driving on a dirt road,
Who's
way
singing this?
back, I'm
Oh,
swerving
yeah.
like a George song. Smoke blowing out the window,
What have I written?
ice cold beer sitting in the console.
Jason Aldean song.
Memory lane up in the headlights, it's got me reminiscing on the good times. Turning off a free life drive, that's right,
Yeah.
hitting the street on mud
That's right.
tires.
That's what we're talking about.
Back in the day, Pop's farm was a place to go. Load the truck up, hit the dirt road, jump the barbed wire, spread the word. Light the bonfire, call up the girls, the king and the can and the Marlboro man. Jack and Jim were a few good men. We learned how to kiss, fuss, and fight too. Better watch out for the boys in blue. And all the small town musicians said, ain't it funny how rumors spread like I know something y'all don't know. Damn, that shit is getting old. Better mind your business, man, watch your mouth before I knock your loud ass out. I'm tired of talking to y'all, and oh, dirt road is what y'all missing. Chillin' on the dirt road.
Little country rap.
Head back, I'm swerving like a George song.
Set it up with
Blowing out the window, ice cold beer sitting in the console. Memory lane up in the headlights, it's got me reminiscing on the good times. Turning off a free life drive, that's right, I'm hitting the street on mud tires. I sit back and think about the good old days, the way we were raised, our southern ways, like cornbread and biscuits. It's broke around here, we fix it. I can take you all where you need to go, down to my hood, back in them woods. Too different around here, that's right, but sure do good when we do it all night. If you really want to know how it feels to get off the road in trucks and four wheels, climb on in and tell all your friends we're raising hell with the blacktop in. Chillin' on a dirt road.
Very difficult song.
Swerving like a George song. Blowing out the window, ice cold beer sitting in the console. Memory lane up in the headlights, it's got me reminiscing on the good times. Turning off a real life drive, and that's right, hitting the street on mud tires. I've been to Cali Beach Town. I just threw that up.
Keep going, keep going. He's got it.
Yeah.
It's original. This is original now.
I've been to LA Beach Town, it's been nothing like my get down. I've been to Kansas Map Dots, the home of the girl in the tank top and the faded jeans with holes in them. That's why God created dinner. You don't need a lot of makeup. She's looking good as she wakes up. She loves to ride on my tractor, my Jeep out in the pasture. So the hell, I'll cruise on the boulevard with limousines and foreign cars. I'm butting in my Chevy truck, blasting Johnny Cash, green all the way up. Yeah, I'm chillin' on a dirt road.
With no broken strings. Still.
Blowing out the window, ice cold beer sitting in the console. Memory lane up in the headlights, it's got me reminiscing on the good times.
Killer lyric.
Turning off a real life drive, and that's right, hitting Easy Street on mud tires.
Yeah.
I'm hitting Easy Street on mud tires.
Where are we going to see you at? The what?
Wild West Wednesdays at the Black Bull Chop House in downtown Huntington Beach,
What are we
300
doing?
PCH on Walnut. Bring all your girlfriends.
Yeah.
Woohoo!